Red is in, at least when it comes to hair. Bianca Peters, I'm looking at you right now, and I think you would make a fabulous redhead.
Really? Oh, maybe we'll have to do something a little bit about that right after we show you the story, because this is what we're talking about. Red hair is spring of 2022's hottest trend. So many big celebrities are turning to the red hue, and now a whole lot of salons are actually seeing more clients even asking to do the same. So we went to a salon right here in the city to see how easy the process is for those that want to warm up their locks.
Honey red is a trend right now. All the celebrities are doing it. Sydney Sweeney, Zendaya from Euphoria, and Kendall Jenner. Hot color. They're not afraid to change. So here we are.
Introducing Gen Z's color of the season.
Honey red. Honey red. Honey red is more like it's a neutral color, but it has that warm, that sparkle.
Putting the trend to test at Julian Farrell's salon in Midtown.
We're gonna do some painting, and then we're gonna gloss everything for like good 10 minutes, and then we're gonna see the richness of the color.
So from brunette to honey red, what are your thoughts?
I mean, everyone's doing it right now. It's the trend. It's hot. I'm ready.
Let's go. I'm glad Daniel's coloring your hair, because if I did it, you'd turn out with purple hair. So I'll get out of the way.
First, we're gonna paint some bright pieces of balayage, because balayage is gonna give me the opportunity to enhance your color, to make the color vibrant. All right, we're done painting. We are going to let you sit right now for a good 10 minutes, and then we are going to rinse your color. Then we're gonna gloss. And voila. Are you ready for your glaze?
Final results from brunette to honey red in 1 hour. Okay, I did not do this permanently, so we're going to try something this morning for a temporary honey red look. This is Lime Crime's Unicorn Hair Rainbow Mist in Sweet Tea. It can, change the hue of your hair, even if you are brunette. And I'm going to give you
How much do you trust me?
A whole lot, because we're doing this right now. There's no turning back. So, okay, I'm going to close I'm going to cover my face.
Now, you want me to do it in the front so we could see it? Because I would do it in the back, so.
No, get the front. I'm going to go out and get Starbucks looking like this. So let's do it.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Cover your eyes, because I haven't even tried to use this yet.
It smells good. Are we getting any color?
I see it. It's light.
Okay.
It's like I really got to put. Oh, yeah, now I'm going to do it.
I mean, you got to shake it up, Rosanna. Give it a good shake.
I'm giving it a good shake. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What do you girls think?
I can't see it yet.
Okay.
More? Oh, okay. Well, you only did one side, but maybe you might want to finish the other side.
I'm new at this.
You didn't go to beauty school?
I'm a beauty school dropout.
All right. Okay, finish this side.
Okay.
Don't leave me hanging.
Okay. Hold on. You know what? It's a nice little look. How many times do you have to wash your hair, do you think?
Good question. We're hoping for one, or else tomorrow's newscast is going to be done with red hair.
I mean, I've done some of this stuff for like Halloween.
Yeah.
So, and now you have to wash your hair today. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, I like it. You look like, what is it, Jessica Rabbit?
Oh, okay. I'm feeling this. Did you get on my face too? Or did we
Yes,
my
I
face?
did, a little bit.
That's fine. That's fine.
Can I put my initials in the back?
Go ahead.
Okay. You
Get
know,
it in
it's
there.
like the mark of an artiste.
Should we turn this around? Turn me around. Did I get it? Did I get it?
No.
What?
No mark of an angel. Anyway, I think you look fantastic.
Thank you.
Hopefully you don't.
Oh, it has a little sparkly glitter in it too. Oh, that's cute. Okay.
So red is in now, and you don't have to do it permanently. You can do it like Bianca did. I am available on nights and weekends if you need me. For minimum.
What are they paying you in?
Tequila. Tequila. Anyway.
There you go.
All right, I like this, Bianca. I think you should do a lot of trends on Good Day.
I like this too.
Okay.